In a sign that could signal a division among farmer unions protesting against the centre's contentious agricultural laws, Rashtriya Kisan Mazdoor Sangathan's VM Singh today said it is pulling out of the protest. Bharatiya Kisan Union has also withdrawn from the protest. We can't carry forward a protest with someone whose direction is something else. So I wish them the best, but VM Singh and Rashtriya Kisan Mazdoor Sangathan are withdrawing from this protest right away, he said. The protest will continue until we get MSP guarantee, but the protest will not go on in this form with me. We have not come here to get people martyred or beaten up. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly was taken to Apollo Hospital in Kolkata on Wednesday after he complained about being unwell. He was admitted at CCU 142 unit, a separate room inside critical care unit at the Apollo Hospital. According to the latest development in Ganguly's health, the hospital has informed that the cricketer is absolutely stable. Doctors will take a call on the second angioplasty by Wednesday evening, surgery mostly to be done on Thursday. There have been minor changes in Sourav Ganguly's ECG report, according to the hospital. The 48-year-old former cricketer is being monitored closely by the doctors at the Apollo Hospital in Kolkata. The Supreme Court on Wednesday declined to grant interim protection from arrest to Ali Abbas Zafar, director of web series Thandav, and others seeking quashing of FIRs against them for allegedly hurting religious sentiments of Hindus, and issued notices to Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and other states on their petitions. A bench comprising Justices Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhash Reddy and M. R. Shah was hearing as many as 3 separate petitions of Zafar, Amazon Prime India head Aparna Purohit, producer Himanshu Mehra, the show's writer Gaurav Solanki and actor Mohammad Zishan Ayub. Your right to freedom of speech is not absolute. You cannot play the role of a character that hurts the sentiments of a community, the bench said. The Supreme Court on Wednesday stayed the Bombay High Court order which acquitted a man under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, that is POCSO Act, saying that groping a minor's breast without skin-to-skin contact cannot be termed as sexual assault. A bench of Chief Justice S.A. Bobde and Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramanian stayed the High Court order after Attorney General K.K. Venugopal mentioned the matter. The top court also issued notice to Maharashtra government and permitted the Attorney General to file an appeal against the January 19 verdict of the Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court. YouTube has suspended Donald Trump indefinitely from the platform and said it will also prevent the former president's lawyer Rudy Giuliani from being able to monetize his clips, US media has reported. It comes a week after the social media giant confirmed it would extend a ban on Trump's channel, which has just under 3 million subscribers, joining other social media platforms in banning his accounts following the deadly January 6 Capitol riots. The Google-owned firm has faced some criticism over its slow response following the violence in Washington, as well as the proliferation of conspiracy theories on the platform. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.